So today I want to discuss with you the roundabout at the bottom of the road.
Yeah.
So at the bottom of the road you're going to come across a roundabout. The roundabout that you come across is what we call low lane roundabout. Okay, so this is low lane, the road that you're on now, and at the end of this road you're going to come to a roundabout. Now every roundabout you come to, Ricky, they're different, but they are the same. Fundamentally, every single roundabout you come to are exactly the same. So we'll go down the road and we'll come to a round circle, which is your roundabout. Now sometimes roundabouts are rectangular,
Yep.
although technically you go round the roundabout. So it's not the shape of the roundabout, it's actually what you're doing on the roundabout.
Different exit here.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's now when we approach a roundabout, conventionally, roundabouts, we approach them with a clock face. So when you approach the roundabout, you approach at 6 o'clock. So you approach on a clock face at 6 o'clock. In front of you is 12 o'clock. On the left is 9 o'clock. On the right is 3 o'clock. So that's how we assume a conventional roundabout works. Okay, if you approach a roundabout and you are taking the first exit left, you must signal left on approach and maintain the left signal while you're coming off the roundabout. If you are taking the second exit and it is before your 12 o'clock on a clock face, you would not signal left on approach, but you would signal left after the first exit to come off the roundabout. Yep.
Yep.
If you are taking the second exit and it is past your 12 o'clock, so it's towards your right on a clock face, you would then need to signal right on approach, keep right, maintain the right signal on approach, and then signal left after the first exit, come to the left hand side of the roundabout, and then exit the roundabout, checking your mirrors. So let's say we are taking the second exit and it's before your 12 o'clock. So you would then check your mirrors, approach the roundabout, keep left, maintain keeping left as you go round the roundabout. After the exit on the left, check your mirrors, signal left, then exit the roundabout. Okay? If we are taking a third exit, we would check our mirrors, signal right. If it's a single lane roundabout, keep to the right of your lane. If it's a 2-lane roundabout, look at the lane that turns right. Usually it's the lane on the right. You would signal right. You would get to the roundabout. If it's safe, go on to the roundabout. Keep to the right of the roundabout. Maintain your signal on as you're going round the roundabout. And just after the exit before yours, you check your mirrors, signal left, and exit the roundabout by checking your mirrors, moving to the left, keeping left as you're coming off the roundabout. But you don't change into the left lane until you've gone past the exit before yours. Okay, that's usually how a roundabout works. Now what I want to do, I want to discuss with you that roundabout. Now every roundabout has busy roads and quiet roads. So when you approach a roundabout, there will be some roads that are very, very busy and some that are quiet. As we approach, what I do is I prioritize roads. So I look at the roads that are the busiest first, then quieter, then quieter and quieter. As we go down this road, we are going to take the first exit left. We are going to go towards Lawnswood. So as we go down the road, as we get to the left-hand positioning of our roundabout, the busy road is a road that goes across. Now that's the ring road. So the speed on that road is actually more than this road. This one is 30, opposite us is 30, they're 40. Now that road comes downhill. This one on the left it comes to the roundabout uphill. It actually goes downhill, but it starts to go uphill. So they won't be traveling as fast as them. Now if I'm turning left on this roundabout, I need to look to my right. I also need to look at who I'm going to affect. Now first of all, when I look to my right, I need to look at the people on my right that are going to go past me. So at your 9 o'clock, look at the lane discipline. Now, how do I reference that lane discipline? As I approach the roundabout, I look at the floor markings. Now, the floor markings tell me that my left lane, it goes left and it goes ahead. So on my right, that side, their lane on the left will go left into this road and it will go ahead past me. The lane on the right, on my right, only turns right and it goes across, it goes opposite me. So when I get to my roundabout, I look to my right, I look at where they're going. Now the highway code tells me if there is anybody on the roundabout, I must give way to them. So when I approach the roundabout, I look to my right, I also look opposite me, and on a clock face, at my 3 o'clock, I then look at my 2 o'clock to see if there's anyone coming round the roundabout. Yep. Now if there's anyone coming round the roundabout, I will pause for them, because I cannot come onto the roundabout while they are on the roundabout. If they haven't gone past me, I will not go onto the roundabout. So make sure they leave your 9 o'clock on a clock face before you come onto the roundabout. Now, I look at the pace of the roundabout. Now, whatever speed I come onto the roundabout at, I need to make sure I can stop at the line at whatever speed I'm traveling at. So what you and I are going to do, we're going to go over this roundabout. The next roundabout is a formality. So we need to go over that roundabout. But we need to come back to this roundabout. We are going to work closely on this roundabout. So what I need you to do, Ricky, is get the car ready. We're going to move off when you're ready. We're going to get to this roundabout. We're going to work on it together, okay? Don't signal yet. Before you move off, make sure you can... No, Ricky.
Yep.
Nope. Cancel the signal a second. Nope.
Oh,
don't
sorry.
move. That's it, yes.
Sorry.
And now do whatever you want to do. He's not waiting for you, so you wait. He's waiting for the white van.
Yeah. So
let the white van go.
Yeah.
Let the car behind you,
Go
the
first.
3 cars go.
Yeah.
Because you are not a part of that
Yeah.
cluster.
Because
Yeah. And once they've gone, you can do whatever you need to do. Now cancel your signal, otherwise people will think you're going into that road.
Yep.
So as we approach this roundabout, what we're going to do, we're going to take the first exit left. So once you see the roundabout, start analysing how fast the roundabout is moving. So once you go past the zebra crossing, then assess the roundabout. Once you go past the zebra crossing, start your routine. So now look into your inside mirror, left mirror, and signal left. Now we're going to angle the car at the roundabout, so we're going to reduce our speed. We're going to stop in that left-hand corner.
Yep.
In here. Now look to your right, Ricky. Look, Ricky,
Yeah.
you're stopping in the middle of
Yep.
the road. You need to be in that left-hand corner.
Yep.
You're panicking. We need to stop in that left-hand corner. Yep. And we can go when it's safe. Go now, Ricky.
Yep. Sorry.
It's okay. Remember, there were 2 lanes there. So when we approached the roundabout, there were 2 lanes. Cancel your signal. Now, because there were 2 lanes, we needed to be in the lane on the left.
Yep.
So what you need to do, you need to go back around that roundabout,
Yep.
and you need to position in the lane on the left next time.